Power lead system. What is it? What's it good for? Well, if you're in the online marketing, network marketing, you want to make money online, you want to do something, anything, try to get a side hustle going on, Power lead system is what you need. There's no products. This is a 100% transparent guide, video guide about what Power lead system is. There's no products. It's a set of educational levels, yes, there are levels, that allow you or teach you how to run a business, an online marketing business. It's for the business opportunity seekers. A lot of people with Power lead system give it away. There's something called free lead system, which is free. The next level up, lead lightning, not free, but once you pay for it one time, $7, not that expensive, then you can own the rights to get $6 commissions every time someone buys it from you. But truthfully, where it all begins at is gold membership. There is an affiliate membership, there's a silver membership. I don't recommend those. I recommend going for gold. Going for gold allows you everything. It all starts with gold. You get the free lead system, you get lead lightning. Obviously, I'm driving while I'm talking to you about this. And it opens up everything. It's the beginning of opening up everything. There is higher levels. There's lead generation. It's like a class where you get all of your questions answered, which is actually a good idea if you're brand new to the biz op, online marketing, network marketing arena. There is also Emerald, and there's Master Traffic Academy Institute, Master Traffic Institute. There's something called Home Business Pro. That's actually what I'm building myself to. It is a great program if you want to learn and earn at the same time. Just like all businesses, if you started a McDonald's, you owned a gas station, you bought a hot dog cart to sell at the arena, doesn't matter. All business requires some form of investment, time and money. Power lead system has been around for a long time, and it is a great opportunity to learn the ropes of online marketing, and the commissions are great. What can I say? So get started for free, build yourself up, or go straight for gold. Those are my pearls of wisdom for today. I hope all of you have a great day. The link to getting started is in the description, the comments below. Like, comment, and share, please. You've heard of algorithms. This is how you increase your visibility. Little nugget of information for you. Get people to like, comment, and share, and more people will see your video, and hopefully they will like, comment, and share. And before you know it, you have a viral video. And that's what everyone wants, is a viral video. It goes crazy, goes bonkers, everyone's watching it. And the more people that watch your video on YouTube, if you're an online marketer, the more people that are seeing the opportunity and hearing about the opportunity and clicking your link, it's more chances. It's all about sales, right? All right. Comment below, like. Have a great day. And, let's make some money. Thank you.